Hey everyone, are you passionate about design? Do you dream of turning your creative spark into a thriving freelance career? Let's be honest, who doesn't love a little flexibility and the freedom to be your own boss? That's the beauty of freelancing. But taking those first steps can feel overwhelming, right? Trust me, I get it. That's why I'm here to guide you with actionable steps to kickstart your freelance graphic design journey. We're talking building a rock-solid foundation in design, mastering the tools of the trade, and crafting a portfolio that screams, "Hire me!" Get ready to unleash your inner design star because things are about to get creative. Before we dive into the exciting world of pixels and fonts, let's talk about the backbone of amazing design, the fundamental principles. Think of it like building a house. You wouldn't start with the roof, right? You need a strong foundation. These principles, things like balance, contrast, hierarchy, and white space, are the building blocks of visually stunning and effective design. They help you create work that not only looks good, but also communicates clearly. Don't worry, mastering these principles isn't about being born with a magic paintbrush. It's about understanding the why behind the what. And the best part? There are tons of incredible and often free resources out there to help you on your journey. Check out online courses, YouTube tutorials, and even design blogs. They're packed with valuable information to solidify your understanding. Remember, knowledge is power, and in the design world, it's your secret weapon to creating impactful work. All right, let's talk tools. Just like a carpenter needs their trusty hammer, a graphic designer needs their design software. We're talking about industry-standard programs like Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign. Now, I know what you might be thinking. These programs can seem intimidating at first glance. But trust me, with a little patience and practice, they'll become your new best friends. Think of it like learning a new language. It takes time and effort, but the rewards are immense. Luckily, we live in a digital age bursting with incredible resources. Online platforms like Skillshare, Udemy, and even Adobe's own website offer comprehensive courses to guide you through every nook and cranny of these programs. Don't be afraid to experiment, make mistakes, and most importantly, have fun with it. Remember, every design guru you admire started right where you are now, eager to learn and conquer the world of design software. Okay, so you've got the design principles down, and you're getting friendly with your design software. Now it's time to put all that knowledge into action. Remember, design is not a spectator sport. It's about rolling up your sleeves and diving into the creative process. The more you practice, the more confident and skilled you'll become. Think of it like learning to ride a bike. You wouldn't expect to nail it on the first try, right? You need to wobble, maybe even fall a few times before you're cruising down the sidewalk with confidence. Start by tackling small design projects for friends, family, or even local businesses. Not only will this give you valuable experience, but it will also help you build a portfolio. More on that later. Another fantastic way to hone your skills is by participating in design challenges. Websites like 99 Designs and Daily UI offer prompts and deadlines, pushing you to think creatively and work within constraints. Remember, every project, big or small, is an opportunity to learn, grow, and refine your craft. Picture this. You walk into a job interview, but instead of a resume, you whip out a stunning collection of your best design work. That's the power of a portfolio. It's your visual resume, a curated showcase of your skills, style, and creativity. Think of it as your design autobiography, telling potential clients who you are as a designer. Now, building a portfolio doesn't mean you need to have designed for big-name brands, yet. It's about showcasing your best work, even if it's personal projects or mock-ups. Choose pieces that highlight your range and your passion for design. There are fantastic online platforms specifically designed for showcasing your work. Websites like Behance, Dribbble, and even a well-designed personal website are excellent options. Remember, your portfolio is a living, breathing entity. Update it regularly with your latest and greatest work. Make it easy to navigate, visually appealing, and a true reflection of your unique design aesthetic. Your portfolio is your ticket to landing those dream freelance gigs. Now that you've got the design chops and a portfolio that shines brighter than a disco ball, it's time to dive into the world of freelancing. Don't worry, it's not as daunting as it may seem. First things first, let's talk about setting up shop. Create profiles on freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Guru. These platforms connect you with potential clients from all over the world. Next up, the dreaded P-word pricing. It's a topic that can make even the most seasoned freelancers sweat. Research industry standards and consider your experience level when setting your rates. Remember, you're not just charging for your time, but for your expertise and creativity. And speaking of clients, managing them effectively is crucial for freelance success. Communication is key. Respond promptly to inquiries, set clear expectations, and always strive to deliver high-quality work on time and within budget. In the freelance world, it's not always about what you know, but who you know. Networking is like planting seeds for future collaborations and opportunities. Attend industry events, join online design communities, and connect with fellow creatives. You never know where a simple conversation might lead. Social media is your best friend when it comes to marketing yourself. Create a strong online presence on platforms like Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter. Share your work, engage with other designers, and let your personality shine through. Remember, you're not just selling your design services, you're selling yourself. Building genuine relationships with clients and fellow designers is crucial. Word-of-mouth referrals are incredibly powerful in the freelance world, so always strive to exceed expectations and build lasting connections. Congratulations, my friend. You're well on your way to building a successful freelance graphic design career. But here's the thing about the design world. It's constantly evolving. New trends emerge, software updates pop up like surprise guests, and client expectations shift like the tides. The key to staying ahead of the curve is to embrace lifelong learning. Make it a habit to explore new design tools, experiment with different styles, and stay informed about industry news and trends. Remember those resources we talked about earlier? Design blogs, online courses, and design communities? Consider them your trusty sidekicks on this ever-evolving journey. The more you learn, the more versatile and adaptable you'll become as a designer. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the victories, and never lose sight of your passion for design. Remember, launching a freelance career is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be challenges along the way, but with passion, perseverance, and a sprinkle of that signature design flair, you've got this. Embrace your unique style, believe in your abilities, and never be afraid to put yourself out there. The world needs your creativity. Now go out there and design your dream freelance career.